Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to write the equation of a perpendicular bisector of a given line. Let's get started. Perpendicular bisector. As you can see that on the Cartesian plane, I have drawn one line AB and the perpendicular bisector PM. What is the meaning of perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector means first of all that line is perpendicular to the given line, and second that bisects the given line. That means you have AM is equal to MB. AM is equal to MB. Next, if you take any point P on the perpendicular bisector, that must be equidistant from both the points of the line. That means you have AP is equal to PB. Bisector means it will be a midpoint of the given line AB. So the midpoint formula is if the point A is given by x1 y1 and the B is given by x2 y2. So the midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Let's see one example. Two points have coordinates A 1 minus 3 and B minus 3 5. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Find the coordinates of the point P on the line y is equal to x minus 2 if the P is equidistant from A and B. Calculate also the length of AP. So as you can see that on the figure, the line AB with the coordinate A1 minus 3 and B minus 3, I have drawn it for you. And the red line is showing you the perpendicular bisector of the line. So we have AM is equal to MB. So I need to find out the coordinates of M, which is the midpoint. So the midpoint formula is given by x1 plus x2 by 2. So it will be minus 3 plus 1 by 2 and then minus 3 plus 5 by 2. So if I solve it here, it will be minus 2 over 2 and 2 over 2. So 2 will got cancelled with 2. The answer is 1. It will got cancelled from here also. So it will be minus 1, 1. So the slope of the line AB, which is M1, is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it will be 5 minus of minus 3 over x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus 1. So it will be 5 plus 3 over minus 4. So it will be 8 over minus 4. If you got cancelled from here, it will be negative 2. So the slope of the perpendicular line M2 is given by minus 1 over M1. As we know that M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. So that will be M2 is given by minus 1 over M1 is minus 2. So that will be equal to half. So the equation of a line passing through the point minus 1, 1 and the slope half is given by, if we suppose that minus 1, 1 is x1, y1. So the equation of the line is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Let's put the values here. So it will be y minus y1. y1 is 1 equal to m is equal to half x minus of minus 1. So if I solve it here, it will be y minus 1 is equal to half bracket x plus 1. So I'm going to multiply this full equation with 2. So it will be 2y minus 2 is equal to x plus 1. Move this 2 on right hand side. It will be 2y equal to x plus 1 plus 2. So it will be 2y equal to x plus 3. Move this x on left hand side. It will be 2y minus x is equal to 3. That will be your line. Now, you have the line AB and the perpendicular bisector, and this is the point P. Now, P also lies on the line, given line y is equal to x minus 2. And the perpendicular bisector, we figured it out, 2y is equal to x plus 3. Now, what we have to do, because the point P lies on both the lines, that means I need to figure it out the intersection of the two lines. So the point P is the intersection of the line y is equal to x minus 2, which is my first line, and 2y is equal to x plus 3, which is my second line. So I will solve these equations simultaneously by the elimination method. Let's get started. Y is equal to x minus 2. And next I have 2y is equal to x plus 3. As you can see that the coefficients of x are same, 1 and 1. So I need to change the sign. So what I will do, I'll change the sign. This will become minus, this will become minus, and this will become minus. So the x will got cancelled from here. If I solve it, it will be negative y equal to negative 5. So negative will got cancelled with negative from here. So it will be y is equal to 5. substituting this value of y in equation number 1. So what will happen here? It will be 5 is equal to x minus 2. Move this 2 on left hand side. It will be 5 plus 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 7. So the point A is equal to 1 minus 3 and P is given by 7, 5. So the distance AP is given by root of x2 minus x1, 7 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus of minus 3 the whole square. That is equals to 6 square plus 8 square. So which will be equal to 36 plus 64, which will be equal to root of 100. So that is equals to 10 units, which will be your answer. Let's see one more example. 2 points have coordinates A 2, 3 and B 6, 7. If C 7, T lies on the perpendicular bisector of AB, find the value of T. Find the coordinates of D such that the line AB is the perpendicular bisector of CD. As you can see that the line AB with 2, 3 coordinates and 6, 7 coordinates, I have drawn it, and the red line is showing you the perpendicular bisector of that given line. So I need to find out the coordinates of M first. So midpoint formula: x1 plus x2 by 2, 6 plus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 7 plus 3 by 2. So it will be 8 over 2 and it will be 10 over 2. So if you got cancelled here, it will be 4 and it will be 5 here. So the coordinates of the midpoint are 4, 5. Now we need to find out the slope of the line AB, which is M1. y2 minus y1, 7 minus 3 over x2 minus x1, 6 minus 2. So if I solve it here, it will be 4 over 4, which is equals to 1. Now, slope of the perpendicular line M2 is given by minus 1 over M1. Let's substitute the value here. Minus 1 over 1, which is equals to minus 1. Now, I need to write down the equation of the line passing through the point 4, 5, and the slope minus 1 is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Let's substitute the values here. Y minus 5 is equal to m is minus 1, bracket x minus x1 is 4. Let's open the bracket here. Y minus 5 is equal to minus x plus 4. Move this 5 on right hand side and minus x on left hand side. So it will be y plus x is equal to 4 plus 5, which is given by y plus x is equal to 9. Now, the point C, 7t lies on it. So substituting this value in this equation. So it will be t plus 7 equal to 9. Move this 7 on right hand side. It will be t is equal to 9 minus 7. So t is equal to 2. Now, the point A is 2, 3 and the B is 6, 7, and the point C has coordinates 7, 2, and we need to figure it out the point D, which I have supposed that is equals to xy. So as you can see that the point M is the midpoint of the line AB. So also it will be the midpoint of the line CD. Now let's apply the midpoint formula on the line CD. So the MXY is given by x1 plus x2 by 2. So xy is 4, 5, x plus 7 over 2, y plus 2 over 2. Now comparing the x coordinate, we will get x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 4. Move this 2 on right hand side. Cross multiplication, x plus 7 is equal to 8. Move this 7 on right hand side. It will be x is equal to 8 minus 7. This implies that x is equal to 1. Now comparing the y coordinates, we have y plus 2 over 2 is equal to 5. Now do the cross multiplication here. It will be y plus 2 equal to 10. Move this 2 on right hand side. It will be y equal to 10 minus 2. So that is equals to y is equal to 8. So our D point has coordinate 1, 8. Let's see one more example. Show that the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the point T, t plus 1 and 3t, t plus 3 is y plus tx is equal to 2t square plus t plus 2. If the perpendicular bisector passes through the point 5 to calculate the value of t. So the point A and B are given to you. So I need to first find it out the midpoint of these 2 points. So the midpoint is given by x1 plus x2, 3t plus t over 2, t plus 3 plus t plus 1 over 2. Now let's solve this here. It will be 4t over 2 and it will be 2t plus 4 over 2. Now 2 will got cancelled from here. It will be 2t, and from here 2 is common from the numerator. So it will be t plus 2 is left here, and the 2 will got cancelled with 2. So it will be 2t and t plus 2. So the slope of AB is given by y2 minus y1. So t plus 3 minus t plus 1, and this should be in the bracket, divided by 3t minus t. So open the bracket here, minus t minus 1 over 2t. So if I solve it here, it will be t will got cancelled with t here. So it will be 2 over 2t. So 2 will got cancelled from here. It will be 1 over t. Now slope of the perpendicular line M2 is given by minus 1 over M1. So minus 1 over 1 over t. So it will be minus t. Now the equation of the line through 2t, t plus 2 and the slope minus t is given by y minus y1. So let's substitute the values here. Y minus y1 is t plus 2. Slope is minus t, and x minus x1. x1 is equal to 2t. So let's open the bracket here. It will be y minus t minus 2 is equal to minus tx plus 2t square. So now move this minus tx on left hand side and 2 and t on right hand side. So it will be y plus tx is equal to 2t square plus t plus 2. That will be our answer. Now this perpendicular bisector passes through the point 5, 2. So substituting this value in this equation, we will get 2 plus t bracket 5 is equal to 2t square plus t plus 2. So it will be 2 plus 5t, 2t square plus t plus 2. Now move this 5t and 2 on right hand side. So it will be 2t square plus t plus 2 minus 5t is equal to 0. So 2 will got cancelled with 2. So if I solve it here, it will be 2t square minus 4t is equal to 0. So 2t is common from here. So it will be t minus 4 is equal to 0. So individually t is equal to 0 and t minus 4 is equal to 0. So you have t is equal to 4 and t is equal to 0 are your answers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.